Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you want to find out more about this cute little short bob wig, definitely stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so here is me trying on the wig after I had then bleached it and also cut it a little bit, and I definitely flat ironed it also. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna get ready to actually cut the lace off this wig and get ready to glue it down. Okay guys, so to glue this wig down, I'm going to be using my Bold Holder Active. And as usual, you guys, I'm going to be using 3 layers of the Bold Hold Active. I'm going to put each layer on and let it dry before I put my second and third layer on. You know, you guys, it's just the typical, the same old way that I put my glue on. Okay guys, now that I'm done putting the glue on and I let it dry, I'm now going to place the wig on top of the glue. And you can pretty much see where the glue is at, where I have to put my wig on top of it at. And once I'm done that, we're going to come back and style the wig. Okay guys, so right now I'm about to get ready to do my baby hairs. Baby hairs was actually optional on this wig because this wig looks so natural already, but I can't live without my baby hairs, y'all. So I am going to put baby hairs on here, but I am going to put minimum baby hairs because it really don't need it. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna get ready to create my baby hairs. And when I create my baby hairs, I am using some mousse to lay my baby hairs down. Okay guys, so now that we're done with the baby hairs, I'm just going to put a little foundation or bronzer on the front of the lace just to kind of blend it with my skin. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to put a little bit of concealer in my part to define my part a little more. I didn't really have to put concealer in there, but I kind of wanted to define it just a tad bit more. So you guys, here is the finished look with my short bob wig. You guys, eventually off camera I did go back and cut the wig some more to make it a little shorter, but overall this is pretty much how the wig looked. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm coming to give you my thoughts on this hair that I'm wearing that I purchased from Aliexpress from a company called Ishe. And yeah, so I purchased this hair again off of Aliexpress. And you guys, you know it's getting hot. Summer is coming. So I kind of wanted to do a short bob or a short, you know, look. Because, you know, sometimes I don't like all that hair on my neck, especially when it starts getting hot. So I ordered this short bob wig. Again, I got from Aliexpress. And in the beginning, I showed you guys me putting this wig on. So, you guys, when I received this wig, I received it maybe a week and a half of me ordering it. It came fine. If I'm not mistaken, it came through FedEx. It either came through FedEx or UPS, because I know a lot of the Chinese companies are having issue with, you know, shipping, especially through USPS, and that's the post office. So a lot of the companies are shipping through UPS or either FedEx. So I either got it from one of those companies. So when I received the hair was really nice, you guys. So mind you, the hair was a 12-inch 13x6 Yaki straight hair, I believe it was. Hold up, let me get the details. It was a Yaki short bob straight hair. So it was a Yaki straight hair. So it's a little different from a kinky straight wig. This hair is more of a Yaki texture, if I explained that correctly, but whatever. So it was Yaki So yeah, it was a Yaki texture, and it was 12-inch. Now mind you guys, when I got it, it was longer than this, but I believe I took off about 2 inches on the hair because I wanted it shorter. I didn't want all that hair because I believe when I got it, it came down much further. But I think I took off about 2 inches. I could have got like a 10-inch, but I wanted to get a 12-inch in the event of, even if it was too long, I could have cut it. And if I would have got a 10-inch, if it was too short, then it was not, I can't make it longer, so it was nothing I could have done about that. But I got the 12-inch knowing that if it was too long, I would be able to cut it. So that's what I did. I cut it. So you guys, I get so many compliments on this wig because so many people tells me that it looks like my natural hair, which it does. Like the Yaki texture definitely looks like my natural hair, which I love about this wig. And today I have it in a side part, but since I got the wig, since I have been wearing the wig, I had been wearing it in the middle part, but I recently just put it into a side part. But anyway, you guys, so I've been wearing this wig for about 2 weeks and a half now, a little over 2 weeks. And you guys, so this hair is super duper soft. It's low maintenance because all you have to do is pretty much, if you want to, you can just, you know, bump it at the end. And usually I tie my hair up at night, so in the morning I could just get up and take my little tie off and I'm good. It's up to me if I actually wanted to curl it and make it look super duper neat, but usually I just get up and it's all good, time to go, whatever. So yeah, so this hair is super low maintenance, and you guys, it doesn't shed. No, it doesn't shed. Usually the hair that I did get that was shedding was from when I pretty much either plucked it or I cut the hair, so it kind of shedded for that few days when I cut the hair. Before that, I really don't get any shedding. And tangling, I get a little tangling like in the back of the neck part, but it's not so bad to where I feel like I'm, you know, have to cut out kinks of hair. It's not like that. I just get a little tingling in the back, and that's pretty much it. When I got the hair did not have any type of smell to it, which was a plus. The knots bleach well. The knots bleach within 10 minutes, which was a plus for me. The hair curls well. As you can see, I curled it. Now, for as dyeing, you guys, I did take like a little section of it and I dyed the hair, and it dyed perfectly. Now, I did not dye this whole wig, but I did, you know, dye just a section of it to see if it would dye, and it did. You guys, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so if I had to rate this hair, you guys, out of a 10, I will give it a 8. I took a little points off for the, of course, the tingling in the back, and just maybe the minor shading that it's doing. And that's about it, you guys. For us, that this wig is holding up. It's holding up pretty good, and I'm enjoying it. My husband, he loves this wig because he's always thinking it's my real hair, but whatever. But yeah, you guys, so definitely let me know your thoughts about this wig here and how you like it. Of course, I will leave the information down in the description bar if you want to purchase this wig. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace. Oh, wait. One of these ways.